instant. Clap your hands to the beat this instant. This instant. This instant. Clap your hands to the beat this instant. This instant. This instant. Clap your hands to the beat this instant. This instant. This instant. Clap your hands to the beat this instant. This instant. This instant.
Multi-kill.
This instant. Clap your hands to the beat this.
Hey guys, Joshua Productions here, and I'm going to tell you, or teach you, how to use Sony Vegas Pro 9.0. Just the basics of it today. Alright, so I will start up Sony Vegas. Okay, now you'll see a track that all the stuff here. Yes, that's just what I've been recently doing, but I will create a new one just for you guys. Alright, basics of it. Alright, so this area here, this bottom bit here, is basically your timeline down here. For your timeline, your basic keys, like go to end, go to start, stop, pause, start, play from start, blah-da-da-da, loop, playback, whatever. And now this, you can grab onto that, which is takes it frame by frame. Another shortcut to take it frame by frame is to hold Control Shift and then scroll every now and then. That'll go up and down in frames, each by each. Now, basic functions of it is to add video and audio tracks to it. So right click, add audio track, or add a video track, like that, so on. Now this is your preview screen up in the top right hand corner. Preview screen, so I have up whatever it has. So if I just go quickly insert something. Now when you insert something or do any type of editing whatsoever, this screen like this will pop up, but it might be in different views or whatever, and this will have like all your properties and all your selecting options that you can do to edit programs. So I'll just leave it as sample text and maybe change color. There we go. It's all good. And then you got your preview screen, so you can see if I press play, it'll just keep that to it, because I have nothing else with it, or I haven't got any music to it, or I haven't got any like just programs with it or anything. Lardy. Lardy. Project media. Now this is where you, all your media that you edit, do, insert, edit, whatever, even though I said edit twice, this is where it'll come up in project media up in the top left hand corner here. Now this here is just a sample text I did before, and that's the only thing I done. So if I insert another text to it, it'll pop up here. You can see it up there. It's like all your like timeline edits to it. So yeah, then in Explorer you can, if you're importing something or something like that, you can it's like a basically my computer or something like that. So yeah, you can search through all there. Now transitions, like for those people that know like the basic editing programs, you know what transitions are. If not, transitions are things from like each other. So if I put the sample text in here, go back to project media, put another sample text in there, and then whatever, and then go to transitions and add a simple one to the end of this, and don't care, it'll come up in about 3, 2, 1, and it'll transition between. Alright, so you don't really need that. Alright, now you have all different ones, like different types, like you got dissolve, that's a good one, flash, gradient wipe, it's an alright one, portals, using jigsaw puzzle. Squeeze is alright. Zoom is pretty good, really good actually, I reckon. And yeah, just recommendations. Now, video effects. This is your major editing source, basically. You have all your different type of how you edit your media, basically. So you can add different brightness and contrast to it. You can add a deform to it, which makes it distorted or just awkward shape. Color correction, change color of your imported text, cookie cutter, so it cuts out the not your text, your media. Light rays, that's a really good one. Blurs, saturation adjusts, and TV simulators. Yep. And then you got your media generators. These are just basically like you got your credit rolls, you got your gradients, color gradients, you got your noise textures, which you can use to, like if you have lava, take that in, and then you take I'll include this in another video to the basic editing. This is the basic using of Sony Vegas Pro and where everything is. If I slide that to there and just quickly move it like that, and then take it back to the start and then play it, you'll see up in the preview screen that it'll start moving and stuff like that. So yeah, that's for another video. That's just for a preview, and there's all different ones there. There's Tyler, there's solid colors that you can insert. There's text patterns, like you might see like the script TVs like going all blank and stuff. That's them. Yeah, you got your text. You got default text, so like you got hot, la di da di da, all this type of different text. And yeah, the middle one is just like your if you use any of these tabs or anything, any of like these things, you can choose to edit like screenshots and all this type of stuff in here, but I rarely use that. That's just like another window that you can use. Most of the time I just close that and have a bigger preview area and a media generators and stuff like that, because you already have screenshot editing and stuff down here. And yeah, that's about it. I will be making another video on how to basic editing and basic like tools and functions and my rendering options if anyone wants to know. Alright, so thanks.